I've got to win. I need to win. He's off. Oh, George, you won. Oh, mountain cards. Yes! Best day ever. Yo, insane. How was it, girls?
It was insane. So
Best day ever?
sickest day. Yeah, so good.
Nice race.
Best day ever?
So good. Best day ever.
Best day ever, gang?
Come on.
Best day ever.
Yeah.
I have so much scent in my mouth.
That was literally the best thing that's ever happened. That is unreal. There we go. That was mountain karts here in Solden with some of the Swatch Nines crew. It's a down day because of the rain. Epicness. See you in the next one.